So the brother has asked the question, Brother Faiz has asked the question here. He said that, do we have to combine? Have to. The word is lazmi, which means in English it becomes have to. Do we have to, join the 10 and 9 together for fasting in this 9th of Muharram and 10th of Muharram? Or we can just fast one day, which is 10th of Muharram? So I said to him, none of them you have to. You don't have to fast 9th, you don't have to fast 10th, because it is a voluntary fast, it is sunnah, and it was fard, it was obligatory, it was meant people to have to fast. That was before the Ramadan fasting came into existence, into implementation. So when Allah made the Ramadan fasting fard, then all the other fasting became voluntary or like non-obligatory fasting. So I answered him that if you want to fast the 10th, you can combine it with the 9th, or you can combine with the 11th, or you can just fast one. Why to fast only one? And that's permissible because Prophet ﷺ lived all his life in Medina for 10 years and he fasted only one day of Ashura. The last year of his life, when he was told that it is like a becoming similarity between, or copying or imitating, like the Jews also used to fast the 10th day of Ashura, so we should be doing something different. So Rasulullah said, okay, if Allah gives me life, inshallah next year, then definitely I will fast, I will combine 9 with 10, or 10 and 11. So this is how he wished, but he didn't live for the next year. So what is the confirmed sunnah is to fast one day. Alhamdulillah.